Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you all? I'm fine, and thank you so much for all your love and support in my last videos. I really appreciate it, and I watch all your comments, and I'm trying to watch all the videos you are telling to me, and I I'm speechless for all the love. Thank you so much. And today I am going to watch the Inception MV from Atiz. You know one secret? I watched the movie Inception and I understood in one time. That's the truth. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So I hope I will understand this MV also really fast. And I don't know. I think, can you see this reflection? I don't know why it's happening. I just hate it. But without the glasses, I cannot see anything. I am blind without my glasses, so I have to wear my glasses. So just ignore that. Okay. So today I am going to watch this MV and I will tell you how I feel about it. I am sure it will be good, and I just want to see that if I can understand what's happening. And do tell me in the comments if I say something wrong or if I did not understand anything, and that's obvious. But do tell me, and many videos are coming, just wait for it. And subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like and share it. And you can also follow me on Instagram, the ID is given below. And I hope you all enjoy my reactions. So without further ado, I just want to set my laptop, as you all know. Okay, caps on. Okay, so here we go. I mean, till now, till now what I have watched, I feel that it is the same vibe. I like the Inception, like little mysterious, and little. They are trying to tell you a story which has a deep meaning, and the lyrics are like about love, lost love. So let's continue, and I'm really into it. I just want to watch more. I'm going to do that. I'm obsessed with blue hair. I really love blue hair, and this guy, I think he's not. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but I love his blue hair. Sorry, I'm sorry, but if you can see, I just got goosebumps because the way it changed to high notes, I just got goosebumps. Oh my god. I am a very sensitive person, so it really touched me, and the lyrics also. Okay, let me rewind. A minute, okay, this guy. I mean, he has the perfect skin, perfect, perfect face and perfect hair. Not like me, but wow, I just can watch him all day. Just tell me his name. Okay, sorry. Okay, the visuals now are so stunning. You know, the fire thing which is going up and it is reflecting on them. It's looking so good. It is looking so good. And you could, I don't know whether it is a theory or not. See, fire is up and water is down and they're conflicting each other. I don't know. You just tell me if I'm right or wrong. So I just saw that, I'm saying. Did I see something? Maybe. Just rewind it and let's see. Okay, I saw it. Oh my god. Oh my god. K-pop has made me so weak. I don't know. I mean, for like BTS, just lifting up of shirt has made me so weak. Okay, this line, to find myself going around in circles again. Oh my god, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful line. I mean, if you agree with me, comment down below, yes. And if you think that there are more beautiful lines which you like, please comment down below and tell me your favorite line. I love this line. I mean, to find myself going around in circles again. That is so true. So true. I just saw, I don't know whether he's in pain of love or I don't know, but I just saw that feeling on his face and it really caught me. Is it over? Okay. Okay. So that video was really interesting, visual wise also, and beauty wise also, and the lyrics and the vocals and visuals, everything was so good. I really liked it. And again, I saw that there some stories is going on, but I'm not able to understand that much. But one thing which I noticed was that there is a contradiction, they are conflicting between finding oneself or finding the love of their life. And you can see fire and water together, they are not able to mix with each other. Maybe the love, I'm just giving a concept that maybe their love of their life is like water and they are like fire, they are not able to get together. I don't know, I'm not sure. So you just tell me if I'm right or wrong. You can tell me the real theory which is going on. And I really liked it, really loved it. I'm looking forward to more videos of them. So do tell me what should I react to next, and other K-pop groups also, so that I can explore K-pop more and understand the world more. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and it was a really cool video and really nice video, and it really gave me goosebumps, which if I had an HD camera I would have shown you, but I don't have. But I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for recommending me. Many comments were about Inception also, because I can see why they want me to watch this. It's awesome, it's really cool, and thank you so much. And hit the like button, comment down below your favorite line from this song and your favorite member, and comment down below what should I react to next. And this video getting long. Okay, bye bye.